So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is Journal 7 Day 7 Oracle Messages for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 18th till the 24th of May 2026. I think in the previous video in Cancer I said April. I'm sorry, Cancer people. Anyways, let's see. Keep in mind these are general messages. They might or might not resonate. If they do, good. If they don't worry about it. Just leave them. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. My goodness, my back. We have the Six of Raphael. Embrace your inner child. You might be very serious these days, or you're trying to be very much serious in your life, like, okay, as if life is a serious job in itself. It's not. Life is nothing to be taken seriously. Don't take life seriously. It's going to end. Okay. So embrace your inner child for this week. Connect with your inner child as much as you can. New friends or rekindled relationships. Either your connection with your people is going to enhance this week, and or you guys are going to make new friends or new friendships. Something related to children or childhood is going to be of significance for this week for you guys. Okay. Start doing things that makes you happy or that used to make you happy, very happy in the childhood, and still if you think about that, those things, it makes you feel very happy. So start connecting with those things, as long as they're not hurting anybody physically, emotionally, or otherwise. Anyways, for 18th we have the Seven of Ariel. You have invested wisely. You might have invested in something very wisely. You have done a fantastic job. Now have patience and wait for the results to come. Wait for your rewards to come. If you guys are going to be restless and impatient, you might miss the opportunity, miss the chance to get the rewards the way they should, right? Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. Now you guys have to learn from whatever you have done till this point of your life and make plans for your next chapter, next endeavor, next step, whatever you call it. 19th, we have the Seven of Michael. There is a better course of action available to you. You might be stuck on this idea of my way or the highway. I know better than everyone on this planet Earth, and beyond that, don't do that. Be flexible and open to the idea of listening to others also when it comes to a particular situation. A better course of action is available for you guys. Working alone may not be the best answer right now. Collaborate with somebody, connect with somebody, maybe a guide or mentor or guru or somebody who is on the path of your thing, and they can help you in some way, right? So that is also a good thing to do. Review all the details before you guys are going to sign any kind of documents or collaboration or partnership, because if you're not going to do it properly, it might backfire in the coming future. It might create some kind of issues. 20th, we have the Three of Raphael. Reasons to celebrate. You guys are going to have a really beautiful reason to celebrate something here. And a community of friends. You might end up meeting with the soul family members. You might end up connecting with more people. But there is going to be a reason for you guys to have a really good time on this day. Happy announcement regarding relationships or children. And maybe news of pregnancy or marriage or something like that is also going to be there for you guys, whether it's yours or indirectly related to you. If you guys are going to get some kind of invitation or something, go there, have fun. It's going to be quite a good day for you guys. Okay. Now 18, 19, 20, 21st, we have Page of Ariel. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Scholarships or the pursuit of education. Time to get to work. Maybe you guys are going to get some kind of excellent opportunity to do something. Maybe a job opportunity, work opportunity, collaboration or partnership kind of opportunity, or you are going to get an idea to start to restart something from the scratch, and it's going to be one of those excellent opportunities that you guys are looking forward to have, maybe from quite a long time now. Scholarships or the pursuit of education. Maybe some of you are getting back to education, or you're waiting for some kind of scholarships or something. That is also happening. Time to get to work. This is the day for you guys to connect with your work energy, root chakra energy again, stability energy again. This day. 18, 19, 20, 21st. 22nd, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. You might be planning for something from quite a long time now. Now the time has come for you guys to take the action. Okay, not just planning and planning and planning. Now the time has come for you to take the actions also. Creativity is rewarded. So connect with your feminine side, connect with your creative side, and add it in your work, and it's going to be rewarded and awarded in a very beautiful and positive way. Luxurious or abundant resources. You guys are going to get some kind of luxurious or abundant resources that can help you in some way, shape, or form. Make sure you guys are not going to take those resources for granted or abuse them, or like take it like, okay, it's going to be always there for you. So it happens a lot of time with this, especially if something is really valuable. It's free, but it's really valuable, right? So make sure let's say time. Hmm? So it's precious, but it's valuable. It's precious, it's free, and it's very valuable. So a lot of valuable things are actually free in our lives, most of them, all of them. 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. 23rd, we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart. You might have a choice or decision that you guys have to make in a particular situation, maybe romantically or otherwise. So make choices from your heart when it is a matter of your heart. Try. Deeply emotional commitments. Either you are trying to get committed to something or someone, and or you want it, and you might or might not get it. But if your love, if you have pure love, if your love is unconditional, whether you are going to get whatever you want from the other energy or not, you're definitely going to be rewarded for yourself. Okay, because this whole situation can convert into deep self-love kind of energy if taken care of properly, if taken in a positive way. Okay, if you're going to cry or sulk or feel like, oh my god, nobody loves me, nobody wants me, then I don't think so it's going to be a good idea. Then it is going to suck the blood out of you only, because you are responsible for this energy, not anybody else, not anything else. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, justice. Fight for justice and equality. If you guys are going through some kind of courtroom drama, if you're going through some kind of injustice in your life, and you know you have to stand up for something that you know is right, you have done the right thing, you have done nothing wrong, but something is happening that requires you to stand up, just do that. Okay, fight for justice and equality, you guys have to do that. Rulings made in your favor, you guys have to, the moment you guys are going to take the charge of the situation in your own hands, and you guys are going to fight for justice and equality, the rulings are going to be made in your favor. Do not give up, especially if you are not wrong. Please don't give up, Leo. Okay, you guys are going to get the results of you guys standing up for yourself sooner or later, and the universe is going to do justice with you. But remember, you guys are going to get the justice as per your karma and your deeds. Hmm? Okay, let me see the final message as the guidance for you guys for this week. Eight of Gabriel, a great deal of activity. A lot of things are going to happen in this week. A lot of, like, maybe you guys are going to roam around a lot, relocate, or maybe travel a lot. A great deal of activities, or maybe things will start accelerating. Things will start moving forward in a very, very fast way. So, in that energies, try to be as calm, as patient, as grounded as you can, because you are a Leo. You have this tendency to get scattered, get upset when things are not getting, in alignment. They are not properly aligned. They are not properly happening the way they should, right? So a lot of things might happen in this particular week. So try to stay calm, grounded, and compassionate towards yourself and towards the whole thing. And sudden and immediate results might also happen. Important communication, if you guys have to do some kind of important communication, whether it's related to your personal life or professional, try to do that. Hmm? Before it's going to convert into some kind of miscommunication or some kind of no communication maybe. So try to do that, finish that in this week only. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.